If you have never made a YouTube video before, this is the fastest way to start. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to produce a complete faceless YouTube video, researched, scripted, voiced, edited, and uploaded in under 2 hours. No face on camera, no studio setup, no editing background required. I will break the process into 5 steps, give you a time budget for each one, and name every tool you need. Most of them are free. This is not a theoretical workflow. It is the exact process I use to produce every single video on this channel. I have refined it over the course of dozens of videos, and the version I am sharing today is the one that is actually fast, actually repeatable, and actually works. Let's go. Step 1. Topic research. Time budget, 15 minutes maximum. The most common mistake new YouTube creators make is picking a topic they find personally interesting rather than one that a meaningful number of people are actively searching for right now. Being interested in something is not the same as other people searching for it. On YouTube, only what gets searched gets found. Your job in step 1 is research, not creativity. You are looking for 3 things at once. A topic with enough search demand to make the video worth making, a question that the current YouTube results have not answered well, and a format that suits a narration-led, visually flexible, faceless channel. 3 tools used in order. First, YouTube autocomplete. Go to the YouTube search bar and start typing your niche keyword. Stop before you finish the phrase. YouTube's autocomplete suggestions are based on real search data, updated constantly. Each suggestion is a confirmed demand signal from people who actually use the platform. Write down the top 5 most relevant ones. Second, Google Trends. Type in 2 or 3 of those phrases at trends.google.com. Filter to the last 90 days. Look for lines that are still rising, not ones that have already peaked. A rising topic gives you a window to rank before the established channels flood in. A peak topic means you are competing against videos that already have months of view history and backlinks. Third, Reddit. Find the subreddit your specific audience spends time in. Sort by top posts from the last month. Look specifically at the posts with the most comments, not just the most upvotes. Comments are where confusion lives. The thread where 50 people are asking variations of the same follow-up question is a video waiting to be made. From those 3 sources, pick one topic. The decision rule is simple. The topic that has the clearest gap between what people are searching for and what the current YouTube results actually answer is your video. Do not overthink this. 15 minutes, one topic, move on. Step 2, writing the script. Time budget, 45 minutes. For a faceless voiceover channel, always write a full sentence-level script. Bullet points produce hesitation and filler words when you paste them into a text-to-speech tool. A complete script produces a cleaner, more natural voiceover every time. Here is the structure that works consistently for this format. Open with a hook. 2 or 3 sentences that tell the viewer exactly what they are about to learn and why it matters to them personally. Lead with the value. Do not build up to it. Then write your content sections. For a 10 to 12 minute video, 4 to 6 main sections is the right amount. Each section should have a clear opening statement, 3 to 5 supporting points, and a closing line that leads naturally into the next section. Think of it as a mini essay. Topic sentence, body conclusion. Close with an outro that restates your single most important call to action, thanks the viewer specifically, and previews the next video so they have a reason to stay subscribed. For the research and expansion work, use ChatGPT. Give it your section topic, your 3 points, and ask for 1 or 2 factual paragraphs per point in a clear, no filler style. Then rewrite every paragraph in your own voice. The AI handles research speed and structure. You handle accuracy, tone, and the things that make your channel different from every other channel covering the same topic. Here is where the voiceover tool comes in, and I want to be direct about this. Every voiceover on this channel is produced in 11 labs using the Atom voice. It is the tool I use every single week without exception. 11 labs starts at roughly £5 a month on the starter plan. My affiliate link is in the description, pinned at the top. I earn a 22% commission for 12 months on anyone who signs up through it. I am telling you that clearly because you should know, not because I am required to. The tool genuinely earns its place in a beginner workflow. Sign up tonight. Generate your first voiceover before you go to sleep. It takes 10 minutes. Step 3. Generating the voiceover. Time budget, 10 minutes including render time. Open 11 Labs. Go to text-to-speech. Paste your complete script. These are the Atom voice settings that produce the best output. Stability 50%, similarity boost 75%, style exaggeration 0. Stability at 50% introduces natural variation in the delivery, which is what stops the voice from sounding robotic or flat over a 10-minute video. Higher stability sounds more consistent but less human. Similarity boost at 75 keeps the voice recognizable and on character across multiple separate generations. Style exaggeration at 0 gives the cleanest result. Higher values make the delivery sound artificially dramatic, which breaks the tone for factual content. Before you generate, do 2 quick checks. First, look through the script for numbers, currency symbols, percentages, and abbreviations. Spell them out. Write £5, not the pound symbol followed by a 5. Write 22%, not the number and symbol. Most abbreviations generate correctly, but check tool names on playback. Occasionally, a product name gets mispronounced and you will need to respell it phonetically. Second, scan for very long sentences. 11 Labs generates sentence by sentence, so a sentence that runs longer than 3 lines will produce an unnaturally long pause at the full stop. Split any sentence over 3 lines into 2. Hit generate. A 10-minute script renders in roughly 30 to 45 seconds. Download the MP3. Rename it immediately with the video number and today's date. Move it into your video project folder. You are done with VoiceOver. Next step, B-roll footage and editing. This is where the video becomes a video. Step 4, B-roll and editing. Time budget, 45 minutes. Open Pexels in a separate browser tab. Pexels is a free stock footage library with thousands of high-quality clips, all royalty-free for commercial use. No attribution required. Search for clips that match each section of your script. You need roughly 1 clip per 30 to 45 seconds of voiceover. So for an 11-minute video, that's 15 to 20 clips. You will not use all of them, but having more than you need means you are not scrambling mid-edit. Search strategy. Search for what the section is about, not what it looks like. If you are talking about passive income, search person checking phone notification, not passive income. If you are talking about starting a business, search person working focused laptop, not entrepreneurship. Concrete objects and actions find better clips than abstract concepts. Download into your project folder. Rename each clip with a number matching its section. Now open CapCut. Create a new project. Import your 11 Labs voiceover file first. Drop it onto the audio track. The length of that audio file is the exact length of your finished video. Everything else gets fitted to it. Layer your B-roll clips over the voiceover on the video track. A rough cut is fine. You are not editing a documentary. You are covering voiceover with visuals that support what is being said. Each clip should match the topic of the corresponding sentence, even loosely. 3 things to do before export. First, apply your color grade preset. You saved this in your CapCut project settings during week 1 setup. 1 click, consistent look across every video you ever make. Second, add auto captions. CapCut generates these in 1 click from the audio track. They are not perfect. Check for any obvious errors, but they are accurate enough for production use, and they dramatically increase watch time because a significant portion of viewers watch on silent or in a second language. Third, check the pacing. Play back the first 60 seconds. If a clip stays on screen longer than 5 seconds without anything changing, replace it or cut it shorter. Viewer retention drops when the visual track gets static. Export at 1080p. Rename the file with video number and date. Done. Step 5. Thumbnail and upload. Time budget 30 minutes. Open Canva. Open your saved thumbnail template, the one you built in your first week of setup. Swap the text. Export as a PNG. This should take under 5 minutes if you have a proper template. If it takes longer, your template needs simplifying. The thumbnail rules that always apply. Maximum 7 words. Orange on at least 1 line. High contrast between text and background. No more than 1 image element on the right side. Clutter kills click-through rate. Now go to YouTube Studio. Upload your video. While it's processing, paste your description. Your description should always include, in this order, 1 paragraph summarizing the video, your chapter timestamps, your affiliate links with disclosure, and your hashtags. I have a template saved in a notes doc that I paste and update each week. This step takes under 3 minutes when you are not starting from scratch. Add your thumbnail. Set it before you publish. A video that goes live without a custom thumbnail gets the YouTube auto-generated frame, which is almost always a blurred mid-word mouth shot. Do not do that. Check the title. The title should match the search term you identified in step 1 plus a hook that earns the click. Structure: what they searched for, then what makes this worth clicking. No clickbait. The title is a promise. The video delivers on it. One more thing before you hit publish. I keep a Gumroad prompt pack in my description. 30 AI prompts that cover every stage of this workflow: research, scripting, voiceover prep, thumbnail brief, caption writing. It is £9 and it reflects the actual system behind videos like this one. Link is in my description if you want to have a look before building your own. Set the video to go live at your scheduled posting time. Do not publish immediately. Scheduling a post time gives you a window to catch any errors before the audience sees it. That's the upload done. Let's recap the full-time budget, because this is the thing most people don't believe until they do it. Topic research: 15 minutes. 1 keyword tool. 1 trends check. 1 Reddit thread. Script writing: 45 minutes. Structure first. ChatGPT for research. Your own voice for rewrite. Voiceover: 10 minutes. Paste. Adjust settings. Generate. Download. B-roll and editing: 45 minutes. Pexels clips, rough cut and CapCut, color grade, captions, thumbnail and upload, 30 minutes. Canva template swap, description paste, schedule. Total 2 hours and 25 minutes. And that includes built-in buffer time on every step. If you batch the research phase for 3 videos at once, the per video time drops below 2 hours because you are already in the research mindset and the tools are already open. This is a repeatable production process, not a one-time sprint. The more consistently you follow it, the faster each individual step becomes, because you are building muscle memory, not reinventing the process every week. Every professional YouTube channel at scale runs on a process like this. The difference between a channel that stalls at 20 videos and one that reaches 500 is not talent. It's whether the process exists and whether it gets followed. That is the complete 2-hour faceless YouTube video process. 5 steps. Research, script, voiceover, edit, upload. If you're starting today, and I hope you are starting today, the first tool to set up is 11 Labs. £5 a month on the starter plan. My link is in the description, pinned at the top. 22% affiliate commission disclosed. The recommendation is genuine. It is the tool that makes this channel possible. Wednesday's video, an honest 11 Labs review after 3 months of using it every single week. If you want to know exactly what it does well, what it does not do well, and whether it is worth the money for a beginner, that is the video to watch next. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you Wednesday.